And a privilege to be your host for this afternoon. So, on behalf of the Curaçao Airport Partners, the Curaçao Airport Holdings, the Curaçao Hospitality and Tourism Association, and the Government of Curaçao, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you, our distinguished guests, stakeholders, and members of the press. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate a truly momentous occasion. We just welcomed, by accompanied of soaring sirens, the arrival of American Airlines inaugural flight to our Dushi Curaçao, making a new important connection between Chicago and Curaçao. Congratulations to all of us for this amazing achievement. Let's give a round of applause. Before we proceed to the official part of the ceremony, I would like to express our gratitude to some distinguished guests that are honoring us today with their presence. We have the Honorable Minister of Governance, Planning, and Public Service, Mrs. Kimberly Liuyentai. Also with us, we have Mr. Nelson Cortez, General Manager of Aruba, Bonaire, and Curaçao for American Airlines. We have Mrs. Peggy Cruz, the Senior Vice President, Aviation Market Development of the Curaçao Airport Partners. Also, Mr. Hugo Clarenda, Deputy Director of the Curaçao Tourist Board. Mr. Julian DePaul, Commercial Manager of the Curaçao Airport Holding. We have Mrs. Mimi Lutge, President of CHATA. And I believe that's all. Thank you all for honoring us with your presence. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's immediately proceed to the speeches for this afternoon. Firstly, I would like to welcome Mrs. Peggy Cruz, the Senior Vice President of Aviation Market Development at the Curaçao Airport Partners, to greet and say some welcome words.
Thank you. Good afternoon. On behalf of all of us at Curaçao International Airport, there's no better way to spend a Saturday afternoon than welcoming American Airlines nonstop out of Chicago. It's a route that we've been pursuing for a long time as a destination, as we want to further diversify the U.S. market, and we're so pleased with our friends at American for starting this route on a weekly basis, year-round, nonstop from Chicago. So with that, we wish you lots of success. We hope to continue in expanding, and I'm looking directly at you, Nelson, to expanding the route in due time and as it further complements our route network to the United States. So thank you very much. Welcome, American Airlines, and much continued success.
Thank you. I would now like to invite Mr. Julian DePaul, Commercial Manager of the Curaçao Airport Holding, to share his insight on this inaugural flight.
Buenas tardes, good afternoon, everybody. I would like to start with a quote. We must expect great things of ourselves to make it reality. Michael Jordan, born and raised in Chicago. With those words, I would like to first congratulate Curaçao. Curaçao for believing in ourselves, believing in our people, our warmth, while wanting to growth and choosing the right partners. Today, our partner, American Airlines, has shown us again, we trust you. And they connect us again with big players, Chicago, the hub of the world. Thank you, American Airlines, for always seeing us as an island with potential. Know that you are welcome here. You are part of our family. Flying with American Airlines is for us. I mean, the brand is part of our DNA. Of course, this big achievement is not only made by one person or one organization, it's a teamwork. So I would like to say also a big thank to Curaçao Airport Partners, CHATA, Curaçao Tourist Board, and of course, me, myself, representing Curaçao Airport Holding. Thank you very much. Wish you a wonderful good luck with this new route, and let's keep celebrating. Thank you very much.
Now we are especially honored to welcome Mr. Nelson Cortez, the General Manager of Aruba, Bonaire, and Curaçao for American Airlines.
Good afternoon and welcome to our inaugural flight. I'm Nelson Cortez, Operations Manager at American Airlines. It's so great to be here with you today. celebrating the launch of our third route connecting the United States with Curaçao. We are thrilled to further strengthen today our commitment to Curaçao, a country that we have served for almost 55 years. With this new seasonal route from Chicago, which we plan to operate weekly service with Boeing 737, we further open up Curaçao to our customers around the world as we play a vital role in promoting the tourism industry on this beautiful island. Chicago here is our fourth largest gateway, offering customer access to more than 465 peak flights to more than 160 destinations. With this new route, American will operate 22 weekly flights from Curaçao with 2 daily flights to Miami and daily service to Charlotte. I would like to thank our entire team who has worked hard to make this route a success, and also extend my appreciation to the government, the Curacao government, airport authorities, and our partners of the tourism industry for helping making today a reality. Thank you again for joining us today, and I'm certain that by continue to work together, we will ensure success in Curacao. Congratulations.
Very much, Mr. Cortez. And now, lastly, I would like to extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Minister of Governance, Planning, and Public Service, Mrs. Kimberly Liwentai, who will share her remarks.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, partners, and friends, on behalf of our government, this is a truly special moment for Curaçao. We are not only welcoming a new flight, we are celebrating an important step forward for our island, for our tourism industry, and for our growing relationship with the United States of America. It is an honor to welcome the very first passengers and crew arriving today from Chicago. Although I was not able to travel on the inaugural flight myself, I am delighted to receive this historic arrival here at our airport. I've heard wonderful feedback about the onboard experience, and I want to take a moment to commend the cabin crew for their professionalism and their warm service. They have set exactly the right tone for this exciting new route. American Airlines continues to be a valued and trusted partner for Curaçao, and today marks yet another milestone in our shared journey. We are grateful for our ongoing confidence in our island and for their commitment to expanding connectivity with Curaçao. This new nonstop route from Chicago represents a significant advancement in our U.S. expansion strategy. It connects us directly to one of America's most iconic and influential cities and opens the door to the Midwest in a way we have never experienced before. The route strengthens Curaçao's accessibility, not only for visitors discovering our island, but also for residents who now have a convenient link to an important region within the United States. The benefits of this connection are very clear: stronger ties with the Midwest, more travel options, and new opportunities for tourism and business growth. This route brings two vibrant and multicultural communities even closer together. Chicago is a world-class hub, rich in culture, diversity, and global reach. Its travelers are curious, adventurous, and eager to explore new destinations, making Curaçao absolutely a perfect match. We look forward to welcoming many people from Chicago to our beaches, our culture, and the warmth of our people. To everyone who contributed to making this launch possible, our airline partners, our tourism teams, and all of our local stakeholders, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Your dedication and hard work clearly paid off. We are truly excited to welcome Chicago to Curaçao. May this be the beginning of many years of successful flights, strong partnerships, and shared progress. Thank you once again, and Bombini to Curaçao.
Mrs. Kim, now it's time for a special moment. I would like to kindly ask Mrs. Liwentai to remain here in front of us, and I would like to welcome Mr. Hugo Clarinda to also join together with Mr. Cortez, Mrs. Esmeralda, Mr. Diaz de Paul, Mrs. Mimi Lopka from Chapa, so we can hand over a beautiful placard on behalf of the Curaçao Tourism Board to commemorate this special occasion. Awesome. Thank you very much. Everybody, please remain so we can go to the sweetest part of the afternoon. I mean, no celebration is in Curaçao is complete without a cake. So, Mrs. Kimberly Leontai, we ask you to invite the first slice of the cake. Yes, let's cut this beautiful cake as part of our unique celebration here. Nicely done. Nice. Members of the press, take all of the necessary pictures. Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this delicious cake, we conclude the inaugural ceremony for today. Our deepest gratitude goes to the Curaçao Airport Holding and the Curaçao Tourist Board for their invaluable contribution in assuring this successful event. So let's give a final round of applause. Please remain so you can get a piece of that beautiful red velvet cake. And I hope you guys have a wonderful afternoon and safe ride home.
Boa tarde, senhora ministra. Aqui está parando vuelo inaugural de Curaçao, Chicago, Curaçao. O que isso aqui significa para o povo de Curaçao e a comunidade de Curaçao?
Feliz felicidade, bendiciones un turbo weekend, una expansión más de conexión con el centro Merca, camino que nos pide de directo Chicago, que es un placer natural, más atracción turístico, más vía turístico, más turístico en nuestro país, nos significa más desarrollo de nuestra economía, que también su parte. Feliz aquí van en el parte de gobierno de Curaçao también, muy orgulloso con la expansión de American Airlines aquí, ando esperando así que nos lo queda amplia, para nosotros transportarnos en el mundo y al contrario también, el mundo también será conocido.
Esse man aqui estava tendo dois vuelos, mas inaugural de Latam. O que isso também significa para nós?
Bom, natural, vuelo para Colômbia natural, onde estamos com Hopi pedir, também sempre vai uma expansão tanificada natural, caminho que nos gente não chega a Colômbia muito mais fácil, e por negócio na relação com nós, da por Colômbia natural sempre vai vuelo extra também da sua competência sana, mas Hopi orgulhoso de parte aqui também, conhecido de Peru também, futuro está relativamente novo, mas que nós espera também por os horas para diferente expansão, diferente tipo outro de turista também para visitar nos países.
Ministro, mas danke.
Danke, Nago.